Hey everyone, Eddie here at hipastore.com, and today we're going to be installing a carburetor on a 6.5 horsepower Toro lawnmower. Alright, this old mower has seen better days, but it still has a lot of life in her. So you see we have our new Hipa carburetor, which we're going to be installing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this red cover off. You don't have to take this cover off, but I'm just doing it because it'll let more light into the area that I'm filming. And then the next thing we'll do is take this air filter cover off. It's just these two screws right here. Just pull it back and out of the way. Now we can take the air cleaner box off. Definitely going to need a new air filter. We'll get one of those ordered up. I did not order one for it. We have two screws behind it, and I am just using a 5/16 nut driver for this. Just makes it easy. And this screw here now we can just pull that tube out, and you're going to make sure that when we put this back together we put that on. And we'll give that cover a good cleaning. Alright, now we can take the fuel line off. I'll be a little tight on there. And we'll just squeeze that off with a pair of vice grips that's got rubber fuel line on them to protect the rubber. Next thing is to take this bolt here, and there's a bolt underneath as well. Let's get those out of there. And we can pop the carburetor free and go ahead and take off our spring here on that side, and then take the carburetor, twist it until we get it off the rod like that. So you just got to kind of twist it up till you get it off the L of the rod like that. You notice this carburetor has a gasket on the outside, and an O-ring actually goes on the inside. Here's our O-ring right here. Just pull it off. We got a replacement for that, and that's basically it. You've taken the carburetor off. One thing now is to do a little cleaning and put it all back together. I'd just like to take a moment here to invite you over to our Facebook group, which is Hipa DIY Community. I want to put a link in the description. We'd like this to become a community where users share their input, feedback, or just their stories of using the Hipa products. So check it out, Hipa DIY Community Group on Facebook, and I'll put a link in the description. So here's our new carburetor from Hipa. We also have a gasket kit with our O-ring. Put it on, and our outside gasket, which we'll put on in a second. Installation, like I say, is just the reverse. Turn your carburetor till you get your plug in there. It's going to be a little tighter on this one because it's new. And push your carburetor up to the O-ring, and we can start our bolts. And then again, we're going to use our 3/8 nut driver to turn those on. And you'll feel this O-ring compress. There may be a little bit of a gap here because it's a very thin flange, but that's normal. The O-ring will take up the excess. We'll go ahead and put our spring back on, like so. And just kind of test that linkage, just kind of move it, make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. All right, then we can put our fuel line back on. So, and I've cleaned up our airbox a little bit, and you can see how this gasket works. It kind of pops onto this a little bit so it stays in place while you're putting it on. It's got 3 points here where it kind of pops on. That way you don't have to mess with it too much. Put our airbox on. Don't forget about this tube in the back. Slip it on. Put our screws in with the 5/16 nut driver. Alright, once you get it back together, you're going to want to check your primer bulb here, make sure it's working. And actually, I'm going to have to get a new primer bulb. This one is actually broken, so we'll put that on the list of next things it needs. And as well as an air filter. So you see why Hipa says that fixing machines can be easier, because it really just is that easy. Alright, it's a couple days later. It's just about to rain, so let me do this real quick. I got the new air filter on. I got a new primer bulb on. It's all primed up, so let's see if it'll start. So this one's back in service.
Okay, I hope that was helpful for you all, and be sure to check out hipastore.com for more great quality products, as well as check out our Facebook group, Hipa DIY Community. Thanks for watching.